Hi friends and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. My name's George Agambar and I'm a UK music producer. In today's video we're going to look at producing a song. Now, in the past I have done videos on songwriting and producing and given you tips for how to do it or how to get started or how to get inspired again. But today I'm really just going to take you along my process as I begin to produce my very own song. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you stay tuned and hit the subscribe button and notification bell for new videos every Wednesday.
And things will never be the same when I hear your name since you kissed me in the rain.
Okay, so I wrote this song the other day and I think I may be onto something. So I'm just going to play you the first verse and chorus of what I have already.
I'm sure I must have thought it about 1,000 times. Don't quite know how to say it, but I'm trying. I know I can be hard to read and I hide away these parts of me. Don't quite know how to say it, but I'm trying. So maybe you should know that everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like day and night when I see your face. When I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity when I see your face. When I see your face, some things just never change. Like how it's you I can't replace. When I see your face.
So I feel like for this song I'm already getting that kind of happy, summery, uplifting vibe. And I really am very happy with the tune of the song. But I feel like the chord progression is a bit plain. It could be a bit more interesting. So what I'm going to do is open up the chords a bit more. So instead of the G sharp, I'm going to play a G sharp minor 7th with a flattened 13th note. Sounds complicated, but actually a really simple shape that just transforms the sound, which I think is quite surprising, seeing as I'm replacing a major chord with a minor one. Instead of the A, I'm going to play an A add 11, which again is basically an A shape without the G string note. And then I'm going to move the shape up the neck at the end of the chorus, which just adds some more movement. So the chorus now sounds like this.
So maybe you should know that everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like day and night when I see your face. When I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity when I see your face. When I see your face, some things just never change. Like how it's you I can't replace. When I see your face.
So the chorus is now very open and strummy, and I think that really fits in with the vibe that I'm going for. I also really like how it completely contrasts with the verse that I have, because I think it just makes the song a bit more interesting in itself. So now what I'm going to do is in my DAW record a quick acoustic guitar line and vocal line, and I'm really not too worried if these are sounding rough. At this point I'm really going to focus on filling out the sound of the chorus. And the reason that I like to start by working and producing the chorus is that personally I find it a lot easier to strip instruments and sounds back for the verses than to build it up for the chorus. First things first, I'm going to add a simple beat. I don't want a full drum beat as I want to keep it quite laid back. So I think maybe I'll try a cajon and just use the bass and snare sounds for the cajon. I'm going to do a classic bass drum beat on 1 and 3 and snare on 2 and 4.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like day and night when I see your face. When I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity.
Listening to that, it's just not moving the music forward. It's kind of dragging it back. It's simple, but not effective. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in an extra snare beat at the end of the bar to see whether that livens it up a bit more.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like
It's still not exactly what I want, it's not exactly the sound that I have in my head, but it will do for the time being, and I'm going to start to add in the extra instruments and elements to the chorus now. The next thing I'm going to do is add in the bass line. I'm going to use a MIDI bass instrument for the time being, as I just like how clean they sound. I know that I can always DI in the bass if I need to later on. So this is where we're at with the production so far.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night. When I see your face, when I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity. When I see your face, when I see your face.
I'm really liking this, but to me it sounds a bit empty. So my go-to solution for this is to add in some sustained sounds, like a synth or some strings. So I'm going to add the sound synth pop strings and use root notes of the chords and play them in octaves. So I'm not really adding any harmonic content, but I'm adding the support that the mix needs. Here's the difference.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night. When I see your face, when I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity. When I see your face.
Personally, I really think that makes a huge difference. Now, I think that the key to doing a song like this and making it sound summery and uplifting is actually to keep it fairly simple. So I'm going to move straight on to the vocals. In this song, I really want there to be lots of harmonies that are really upfront and in your face. So I'm going to add in some major third harmonies, just because they sound happy and uplifting. I'm also going to add in some vocal doubles to help really beef out that vocal sound and make it sound a lot bigger.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night. When I see your face, when I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity. When I see your face.
Now I'm beginning to really like this chorus, so I'm going to begin to strip back all the instrumentation for the pre-chorus and the verse. For the pre-chorus, I'm going to get rid of all of the instruments that I've used in the chorus, apart from the acoustic guitar and the cajon. For the cajon, I'm going to get rid of the additional note at the end of the bar that I added in. So let's hear how the pre-chorus leads into the chorus.
So maybe you should know that everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night.
I don't think that there's too much change in the beat between the two sections. So I want to make this even more simple to get more contrast between the pre-chorus and chorus. I think that I may just even use 2 snare hits and keep it really held back for the pre-chorus and get rid of the bass drum completely. Let's hear how that sounds.
So maybe you should know that everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night.
So having such a stripped back pre-chorus doesn't leave me too many options for the verse. It's going to have to just be acoustic guitar and vocals, which I'm fine with. What I am going to do is record another acoustic guitar track and pan each guitar track to either side, as I just think that this makes it sound a lot more full.
I'm sure I must have thought it about 1,000 times. Don't quite know how to say it, but I'm trying.
I like it, but at the moment it's a bit boring. There's not too much excitement or interest. So to add this in and not add another instrument to the verse at the same time, I'm going to add in a few random vocal harmonies. Now I want to do these on little phrases or little words, but I don't want to overuse them. I don't want people to begin to expect them. Here is the final result of the song, from the verse to the pre-chorus to the chorus.
I'm sure I must have thought it about 1,000 times. Don't quite know how to say it, but I'm trying. I know I can be hard to read, and I hide away these parts of me. Don't quite know how to say it, but I'm trying. So maybe you should know that everything just goes from wrong to right. The changes like day and night. When I see your face, when I see your face. Don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity when I see your face. When I see your face, some things just never change. Like how it's you I can't replace. When I see your face.
I was going to leave it there, but I still just don't think that chorus is hitting quite right. There's not enough energy in there. So I'm going to add in a few claps and see how that works.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like day and night when I see your face. When I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity when I see your face.
I'm still not completely happy. I feel like the claps, they did add some excitement, but it's not the excitement I need. I need a busy, high-frequency instrument. And so I'm going to try adding in a shaker.
Everything just goes from wrong to right. The change is like day and night when I see your face. When I see your face, don't know what the hell comes over me. It's like a brand new entity when I see your face. When I see your face, some things just never change. Like how it's you I can't replace.
I'm so much happier with that. I feel like it's a lot more exciting and got a lot more movement, and is a lot more fitting with what I wanted for the song. Naturally, as this is just the first part of the song, I will begin to build up the production as the song develops. I'm envisioning that I'll probably add in a drum machine later on with some more complicated beats. I'll probably add in a sub-bass instrument as well to help fill out that kind of bottom range of the song and the mix. I also think that within the last chorus, I'll probably add in a lot more harmonies and ad-libs, and perhaps even an extra string instrument to add in some more suspensions and interest. So that's how I produce a song. I know that today was a bit of a different video, but I do hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and if there are any other videos you'd like to see in the future. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and I will see you again soon.